Today we're going to be working the back and front loop single crochet. You can see this amazing texture that this stitch gives, and it's just as easy as working single crochet. You just simply will work into the back and front of the loop. Let's get started. To begin, you're just going to chain an even number because this is an odd numbered pattern and we need one chain for the turning chain. So go ahead and chain any even number that you like. I have 30 here in my DK weight yarn and my hook from Furls Crochet. So we're just going to begin with single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So skip this one. We're going to work right here and you will insert. I like to use the back bumps. You can see, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. So go ahead and work one single crochet in every chain all the way across. Like I said, I like to work in the back bumps, and then you should end up with an odd number of stitches. So a nice and easy first row. Actually, this entire stitch pattern is very easy and the texture it gives is amazing. Used it for sweaters and lots of other projects. And it actually makes a wonderful texture for a crochet bag as well. So that's something I have used it for. So I'm not going to make you watch me crochet every one of these single crochets. So go ahead and single crochet in each chain across. Okay, our first row is done here, just regular single crochet. And now we're going to work into the loops, still using the single crochet stitch. So go ahead and chain one to turn. Okay, we're going to work single crochet, but a little different. So in a regular single crochet stitch, you would go in right here under both of these strands, like the little V, which is a regular stitch. But in this method, we're going to use either the front or the back. So we'll start with the back and insert in between the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through two. All right, for our next stitch, we're going to work in the front. So come down like you're going to a regular stitch, split the stitch in the middle, see how it's coming in the middle there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through two. Now we're just going to keep doing this pattern, going back loop only, working single crochet, and then front loop only, making sure we split the stitch in the middle, and you'll just repeat this back, front, all the way to the end where you work ending with the back. Now it's just going to repeat that row over and over again. Now when you see, here's our unworked loops. You can see these starting to form some texture, and an important thing to remember is whenever you see one of these, the stitch above it will always be a front loop only. So if you chain like decrease or anything, just see this bump and you work a front loop. So it's just going to repeat the last row and just chain one again, back loop only, and then we'll work our front loop only. And it's really easy, one row repeat. So after you get that first row of just regular single crochet, it just repeats over and over. Back, front, back, front. Great texture, and it really is a wonderful stitch to have in your arsenal. And the best thing is that even beginners can work this stitch pattern.